Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have a Hesston 856A round baler. Now this baler has a 1000 PTO on it. Overall a nice clean shape. Everything looks just the way it should. I didn't see anything that looked out of place. All the chains had good oil on them. Only thing I saw that was bent on it was this little bar. That's really more cosmetic than anything. It's been kept in a shed and it sells the 14th of May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana, 1108 US Highway 12. And thanks for looking.